In SMD production, the use of a solder paste inspection machine, or SPI, is extremely important. The SPI machine plays a critical role in increasing quality during production, preventing potential errors, boosting productivity, and reducing costs. Accurate and precise solder paste application is also important for the safety of the final product. For these reasons, we use the fully 3D Co-Young SPI machine, which has proven itself worldwide in all our productions. 70% of errors in SMD production originate from the printing process. If these defects are not corrected, serious problems may arise in the later stages of production. Thanks to our SPI machine, we correct the quality of the printing process and only include boards in production that we are 100% sure of. Now, together with you, we will analyze the solder on the pads where the solder paste printing process has been completed. In our SPI machine, we set tolerance values within certain standards for each production. We check the volume of solder paste on each pad, inspect for short circuits, look for deformations, and check the area. We also check the coplanarity between pads located at the same reference point. In addition, we check the offset, height, and solder balls of the solder paste in the X and Y coordinates. Now, Mr. Ramazan will show us a few examples.
Of course. I'm selecting a sample pad. On the screen that appears, I can examine the solder paste in both 2D and 3D like this. Here, it shows the volume, height, area, and offset of the solder paste. If these values are within the tolerances we've set, the result is marked as good. If it goes outside the tolerances, it is marked as not good. Now I'm starting to scan the entire board. Our SPI machine has detected some errors on certain pads of the board. These are bridge errors, missing solder, and shape defects. When I want to do a more detailed inspection, I can do it like this. For example, it shows a pad on the board that doesn't have any solder. While the expected amount of solder should look like this, there's almost no solder on the board. This board needs to be classified as not good. When I select not good here, our next reject conveyor will pick up this board and separate it. This board should not be reintroduced into the production line without being cleaned first. Boards that pass as good continue along the production line.
Finally, with the SPC and barcode options available on our machine, we perform statistical data analyses. Here, we obtain historical data, examine process capability values such as CPK, CPU, and CP, and at the same time, we look at our efficiency rates and conduct root cause analyses. If necessary, we change the printing parameters and aim to achieve 100% accuracy and quality. Today, we talked about the importance of the SPI machine, which is one of the most critical machines in SMD production. See you in the next video.